Dapat taga 20 to.
Oh. Igda siya ba? Desembre naman to.
Ay, mas siguro yung ukay na dahil niya. Ha?
Montadas.
Ligid kalimot si
2 years na ba ka din eh?
Ligid kalimot si
Dua ka tuig? Ikaw man nag-kick out kay Anton. Wa ka makonsensya. So we have to market these. We're overstocking. Could you say something in Bisaya?
No. First na
Yes.
kami lubi. What is not?
Mag-call ko credit loan para sa na.
Ha?
Okay, quarter zero ko karon.
Ano, zero na ni Gcash.
Yes, that's right. I'm a complete zero right now.
No,
Ikaw ba si Mr. Ang? Mr. Ang, no?
Oh, yeah.
You're Mr. Ang?
Yes.
Can I get the password for your Wi-Fi?
No more
There is
password.
Ang's password Wi-Fi.
No more Wi-Fi.
What?
No more
You could make this
password.
a total tech place. Give us the password. Sige na, please.
No more Wi-Fi.
Ha? No more Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Nga no? Kinsay nagputol?
Because I have no money.
Oh, I see. You're Mr. Ang. What's the name of your wife?
It's not.
Your wife is still alive, Mrs. Ang?
Yes.
Where is she? I have never met her. I've never seen her. Who's Mrs. Ang? What does she look like? Is she short and white?
What?
Does she have fair skin? Really? Okay. How many kids do you have? Bilay mong anak. Dua ka laki sa kabay?
Yeah.
Really? Mana sila na nag-college?
No.
Ha? Napa sila sa eskwelahan?
Wala na dyan. Call.
Out of school sila? Ba? Okay. We are dealing with pepper. We're dealing with fruit salad containers. Oh yeah, definitely this 25. I'll have a lot of cash. I need load for my Pokemon so that I can meet with your other representatives in Linkat Kai on Community Day. The Ongs, the Chews, the Sus.
Ha?